We do want to go out now to Lake County, where Emma Henderson is joining us live. We had another tornado confirmed there, touchdown just east of Willoughby. It was an EF-1 tornado, 110-mile-per-hour winds. The track on this one is longer. It's a 3.28-mile track that took it all the way into Menor, and that is where Emma is now joining us live. Emma, we understand there's quite a bit of damage out that way, too.
Quite a bit of damage is right. I'm going to step aside and let you take a look at just some of the cleanup efforts that are underway. A massive tree that is having to come down after going through someone's roof. School is actually out today for the district, and from what we can see, there are a large number of homes without power. Multiple houses in this neighborhood along Menor Avenue have gotten damaged both inside and outside because of trees falling on them. They say the city was out bright and early to help clear all the fallen trees off the roadway. And there was one neighbor we spoke to who helped their neighbor across the street moments after a tree came crashing down into their house.
Went outside and looked around to see if there was a way for them to be able to get out. Unfortunately, the front side of the home was completely blocked with the tree down, but was able to go to the back side of the house and see that there could be a path coming out of their back door.
Now at 5, you're going to hear from a neighbor who really got to feel the intensity of this storm. Betsy?
All right, Emma, thank you very much. Stay safe out there. And of course, a lot of folks are dealing with this. There's a lot of people who are coming out just to look around. Please know that if you're driving in any of these areas, there's a lot of debris on the road, and you could very well end up popping a tire or getting something stuck in your tire. And now you're going to have to pay to fix a flat tire. Not only that, you want to make sure you're wearing some substantial shoes because there is a lot of debris. So the cleanup will be continuing. And as Peyton mentioned, we have a beautiful weekend ahead. Thankfully, it looks like the worst of this weather is behind us. We'll, of course, have more details on how the forecast unfolds for next week, too, coming up in just a little bit. We'll have additional reports coming up at 5, of course, and at 6. But, Isabel, for now, I'm going to send it back to you in the studio.
All right, our Chief Betsy Kling reporting live in the field for us this evening. Betsy, thank you for your expertise.